I'm gonna go ahead and use the holes that are already there. You have to use the snake tool. Hold on. Rip my bag a little bit here. As you can see, installing this new shingle did indeed cause collateral damage to the other shingles and shingles that were not damaged before. And it's unavoidable when installing a new shingle. And the whole entire roof is in this condition. With that being said, if you try to install a shingle to do any of these repairs on the wind damaged shingles, this exact same effect is going to happen. This roof is not repairable without causing collateral damage. And I'll be